Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the latest lecture of the STAAD Pro classes. Now today we are going to discuss about the curved beams. Fine. So what are curved beams? You see the arches? Yes, those are the curved beams. So a lot of the time we these are actually the special kind of beams we use in STAAD about this. So STAAD has an option to make the curved beams. So in order to make the curved beams, I have already made 4 nodes. I'll be showing you the different way in which the curved beams can be made. So for making the curved beam, the first step is geometry, add beam, add curved beam. Fine. Then the cursor will come with a curved beam sign. You have to select the 2 nodes, and then immediately it asks for radius of curvature and gamma angle. We can say the radius of curvature be say 10 meter, or one can say 5 meter, and gamma angle. Now you will got to know what is gamma angle. Let's do it. Okay, so I have added a curved beam. Just see. Then I will just changing the gamma angle, and you will be observing what change. And see, it will be self-explanatory actually. Gamma angle I set it as 90 degrees. Okay, 5 gamma angle say 180 degree. Okay, and this thing 5 gamma angle is 270 degree. Okay, so let's see. Let's get the front view. Just see the curved beam. Gamma means here z is equal to 0 means the y-x plane. Fine. So shift n, let's display the beam number. Let's display the beam number, and we'll be actually watching this whole thing. Just see what it happens. I have added here the gamma is equal to 0 degree, and it forms in the y-x plane. Just see, in the y-x plane. And the next time, the next one that here I had found was in 90 degree. It forms in this xz plane, and this one in that plane, and this one in the opposite plane. Fine. So in different gamma angles actually justifies the plane in which we want, because the beam may be protruded outward or inward as per the artistic view. So hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture.